My friends, here's an uncomfortable truth that is just how it is. It's a part of life. People are going to disappoint you. People are going to be who they are, whether they are in front of you saying what they are saying or behind your back. And it's typically the latter when the daggers come out. This is where people truly are who they are. Understand this, that small people talk about others. Average people talk about things. Great people talk about ideas. Most people, when they are gossiping about you or tearing you down or doing whatever it is they do to belittle, it's coming from a place of insecurity. It's coming from a place that reminds them of where they are not. So continue to go after your dreams. Go after the bigness, the fullness of who you are, in spite of the noise behind the scenes. You will attract the right people. You will attract your raving fans. You will attract those that truly have your back. Everything else, hey, it's their journey. It's what they're going through. It's not where you need to allow them to rent space in your head. No, you rise above it. You are remarkable. And that's what you're being tested on. And just trust that the right people are being manifested into your life to help you get to the next level. You got this. Be remarkable.